2014 Lexus RX 350, pearl white in color. Michelin tires all the way around. This thing's been well kept. Matter of fact, I would say above average new. Just wait till you see on the inside. I'll give you a slow pan around it. No major dings, scratches. It's got your backup camera, power lift gate, even your backup sensors on this pearl white Lexus RX 350. It's got blind spot monitoring. Wait till you see the inside. This is where it shines, guys. It's just as new as the outside. Check this out. They're powered seats. They're memory seats. They're heated and cooled seats. I told you it has it all. And we got it. Conover location, power telescopic steering wheel, sunroof on top. It's got the joystick with the backup camera. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no problem at the trading post. We can get you approved. Check out my website, tradingpostcars.com. That's tradingpostcars.com to apply. Put in your down payment information and we'll get it done for you. One of the cleanest around, Starfire white, tan leather interior, Michelin tires all the way around. What are you waiting for? This thing's not even broke in. 828-464-0600. Tradingpostcars.com's the website. Family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, easy financing. Tradingpostcars.com. Get this Lexus before it's gone. You're going to love it here, and you're going to love the Lexus.